Researchers are now conducting studies to see whether or not there is a causation between taking the COVID-19 vaccine and changes in a woman's menstrual cycle. A number of women, both locally and internationally, have been complaining about changes since taking the jab. Shamela Pullen tells us more in the Health Report.
More than 3 billion doses of COVID-19 vaccines have been administered worldwide. As with all pharmaceutical products, side effects have been observed. Dr. Leslie Mead is a consultant gynecologist and obstetrician. He says there have been complaints from women about a change in their menstrual cycle after taking the jab.
So some persons will say that the period tend to be lighter. Others say that it is heavy and prolonged.
Dr. Mead says there are similar reports on this change coming out of other countries like the United Kingdom. A period is when the lining of the uterus is shed monthly. Typically, this happens 14 days post-ovulation.
This is as a result of non-fertilization of the egg. The lining of the womb would build up during the first part of your period cycle. And once conception did not occur, then you will have the shedding of the cycle. And this goes over and over again each month. On average, a period cycle would occur every 28 days.
Dr. Mead says researchers are now trying to see if there is a causation or an association with the COVID-19 vaccine and the menstrual cycle.
There are times that things would happen, and regularly throughout a woman's cycle, different things can cause her period to become irregular, whether it is emotional stress, physical stress, and certain types of medications. What we need to know is whether or not it is just a random occurrence that is occurring, or in fact, it is the vaccine that is causing it.
If this happens after taking the vaccine, consult a medical doctor.
We cannot just assume that because we have just taken the vaccine, that it must be the vaccine. There has to be an assessment to ensure that it is in fact the case. And if it is, then it will be managed accordingly.
Dr. Mead says after a month or two, the cycle should become regular again. He's encouraging women to still take the vaccine to protect against COVID-19. With her health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.